Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I will show you how to add Japanese keyboard in Windows 10, so you can easily type in Japanese on your computer. Step 1. Click the Start button and open Settings. This is where Windows stores all your system options, and opening Settings is the first step to access language preferences. Step 2. Click on Time and Language. This section allows you to adjust your system's language, region, and keyboard settings, which is necessary for adding a new language. Step 3. Click on Language and Region. Here you can manage all the languages installed on your PC, and it helps you add Japanese to your list of input methods. Step 4. Click Add a Language. This option lets you browse and select new languages to install, so you can type in multiple languages on your device. Step 5. Type Japanese in the search box. This will filter the list so you can easily find the Japanese language without scrolling through hundreds of options. Step 6. Click Next and then click Install. This will download and install the Japanese language pack, enabling your keyboard to switch to Japanese whenever needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.